Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OCGN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, the downwards drift on this one continues, and more updates here need to be made. The first thing to do here is just actually adjust this level of support down to this level at 240, which made itself apparent today as being an important level, and apparent via just that opening 30 minutes. The price came down, and that's finally where the bleeding stopped. And not only did it stop right there, actually made a nice move to the upside from there. So good to see that 240 did hold, and that's certainly going to be the level of support to watch. Preferably speaking, if the price can hold above that purple line right there, which is the 50-period moving average, that would be fantastic. But if the price can't quite hold above it, then again, not the end of the world, because you still do have 240. But I will say that 240 becomes a very important level, because if the price goes down below 240, all of a sudden you're starting to have the price drift back into this previous area of the chart. And it's not like it's gone back down to lows or anything like that where, it was down here at $1.60. But still, the price, going back inside of ranges where it previously was, I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but that's not exactly a sign of a healthy, strong, truly bullish move. You want to see prices making progress. And that's what the price does still have the opportunity to do, because think about it, if the price does come down to 240, goes sideways, and then works its way back upwards. Well, at least from the bigger picture point of view, you'd still have a set of lows there. You'd have lows down here, and then you envision those as stair steps, and you got stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. So like I said, that's still, a possibility, but if the price just all of a sudden crashes down through 240, well, then all of a sudden that all kind of goes away, and you start to have this very sketchy territory. So that's why that 240 mark is very important. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, nothing new here to report. Still have that overall area up there at 285 that you're going to want to watch closely. But yeah, the pullback continues. You just want to make sure that this pullback doesn't pull back too much. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, too much, in my opinion at least, is being defined as that 240 mark. So let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.